Hello, fellow adventurers! Today we're whisking you away to the captivating island of Cyprus, a jewel nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean. Imagine pristine turquoise waters lapping at golden shores, ancient ruins whispering tales of bygone eras, and a vibrant culture that welcomes you with open arms. Cyprus is an island of contrasts, where sun-drenched beaches meet rugged mountain trails, and bustling cities give way to tranquil villages. Whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, Cyprus has something to offer every traveler. But Cyprus is more than just a pretty face. It's an island with a rich history and a vibrant culture, waiting to be explored. From the ancient ruins of Kourion to the bustling streets of Nicosia, Cyprus offers a journey through time and a glimpse into the heart of the Mediterranean. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to discover the magic of Cyprus. Cyprus is renowned for its stunning coastline, boasting some of the most beautiful beaches in the Mediterranean. From secluded coves to lively stretches of golden sand, there's a beach for every taste. For those seeking tranquility, Lara Bay, a protected nesting ground for sea turtles, offers a secluded paradise. Imagine soft, white sand, crystal clear waters, and the gentle sound of waves lapping at the shore. If you prefer a more lively atmosphere, Nissi Beach in Ayia Napa is the place to be. Known for its vibrant beach bars, water sports, and parties that last till dawn, Nissi Beach is a haven for sunseekers and partygoers alike. For a touch of luxury, head to Fig Tree Bay in Protaras. With its shallow turquoise waters and fine golden sand, Fig Tree Bay is perfect for families and those seeking a more relaxed beach experience. Whether you're looking to soak up the sun, swim in crystal clear waters, or simply relax on the shore, Cyprus's beaches are sure to leave you breathless. As the sun dips below the horizon, Cyprus transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife, offering something for every taste. From lively bars and clubs to traditional tavernas and open-air cinemas, Cyprus knows how to party. Ayia Napa is renowned for its electric nightlife, with a plethora of bars, clubs, and discos lining its streets. Dance the night away to international DJs, sip on cocktails at trendy bars, or enjoy live music at local pubs. For a more laid-back evening, head to Limassol's marina, where you'll find a sophisticated selection of bars and restaurants offering stunning views of the Mediterranean. Paphos offers a more traditional nightlife experience, with its charming old town home to numerous tavernas offering live music, traditional Cypriot food, and a lively atmosphere. Whether you're looking to dance the night away or enjoy a quiet drink with friends, Cyprus's nightlife scene won't disappoint. A feast for the senses. Exploring Cypriot cuisine. No trip to Cyprus is complete without indulging in its delicious cuisine. Influenced by Greek, Turkish, and Middle Eastern flavors, Cypriot food is a delightful fusion of fresh ingredients, aromatic spices, and traditional cooking methods. Start your culinary journey with meze, a selection of small dishes designed to be shared. From grilled halloumi cheese and succulent souvlaki to creamy hummus and tangy tzatziki, meze is a feast for both the eyes and the stomach. For a taste of the sea, try fresh grilled fish, a Cypriot specialty. Served with a squeeze of lemon juice and a drizzle of olive oil, grilled fish is a light and flavorful dish that captures the essence of Mediterranean cuisine. Don't leave Cyprus without trying kleftiko, a traditional lamb dish slow-cooked in a clay oven. The result is melt-in-your-mouth tender lamb infused with the flavors of herbs and spices. End your meal with a sweet treat like baklava, a rich pastry made with layers of phyllo pastry, nuts, and honey syrup, or loukoumades, deep-fried dough balls drizzled with honey and cinnamon. Beyond the beaches unveiling Cyprus's cultural gems. While Cyprus is renowned for its stunning beaches, the island also boasts a rich history and culture waiting to be explored. From ancient ruins to charming villages, Cyprus offers a journey through time and a glimpse into the heart of the Mediterranean. Step back in time at the Tombs of the Kings, an impressive necropolis dating back to the 4th century BC. Carved into the cliffs overlooking the sea, the tombs offer a glimpse into the lives of Cyprus's ancient elite. Explore the ancient city of Kourion, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at its well-preserved Roman mosaics, amphitheater, and baths. Wander through the narrow streets of Lefkara, a charming village famous for its lace-making tradition. Watch skilled artisans at work and pick up some unique souvenirs to take home. For a taste of local life, visit a traditional Cypriot village like Omodos, nestled in the Troodos Mountains. Here, you can sample local wines, visit a monastery, and experience the warm hospitality of the Cypriot people. Tips for first-timers. Navigating their Cypriot adventure. Planning your first trip to Cyprus? Here are a few tips to help you make the most of your adventure. Renting a car is the best way to explore Cyprus at your own pace. However, if you prefer not to drive, taxis and buses are readily available. The currency in Cyprus is the euro. Credit cards are widely accepted, but it's always a good idea to have some cash on hand. The official languages of Cyprus are Greek and Turkish. However, English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas. Cyprus enjoys over 300 days of sunshine a year. Be sure to pack sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses to protect yourself from the strong sun. Tipping is customary in Cyprus. A 10% tip is standard for good service in restaurants and bars. Cyprus is a predominantly Orthodox Christian country, so dress modestly when visiting churches and monasteries. How to see Cyprus on a budget. Traveling to Cyprus doesn't have to break the bank. Here are a few tips for enjoying your trip on a budget. For accommodation, consider staying in apartments or guest houses instead of hotels for more affordable options. For food, opt for local tavernas and cafes instead of tourist traps for delicious and affordable meals. For transportation, utilize public transportation like buses and shared taxis for budget-friendly travel. For activities, take advantage of free activities like hiking, swimming, and exploring the island's many historical sites. Consider visiting Cyprus during the shoulder seasons, spring and autumn, for lower prices and fewer crowds. Sustainable travel and respecting Cyprus's natural beauty. As travelers, it's our responsibility to minimize our impact on the environment and support sustainable tourism practices. Here are a few ways to travel responsibly in Cyprus. Conserve water. Be mindful of your water usage, especially during the hot summer months. Take shorter showers and reuse towels when possible. Reduce plastic consumption by carrying a reusable water bottle and avoid single-use plastics like straws and plastic bags. Support local businesses by choosing locally owned restaurants and shops. Support the local economy and reduce your carbon footprint. Respect wildlife by observing animals from a distance and avoid disturbing their natural habitat. Leave no trace by disposing of waste responsibly. Cyprus awaits and your unforgettable journey begins. From its sun-kissed shores and vibrant nightlife to its rich history, diverse culture, and warm hospitality, Cyprus offers a truly unforgettable travel experience. Whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, Cyprus has something to offer every traveler. Imagine yourself strolling along pristine beaches, the warm Mediterranean sun kissing your skin. Picture yourself exploring ancient ruins, their weathered stones whispering tales of bygone eras. Envision yourself indulging in delicious Cypriot cuisine, each bite a symphony of flavors. Cyprus is more than just a destination. It's a feeling, an experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. It's an island where ancient history meets modern luxury, where vibrant culture blends seamlessly with breathtaking natural beauty. So, what are you waiting for? Plan your Cyprus adventure today. Pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to discover the magic of Cyprus. Your Mediterranean escape awaits. Start planning your dream trip to Cyprus today and create memories that will last a lifetime. We hope you liked our presentation showing the best of Cyprus. More stunning destinations can be found now by clicking the boxes that have appeared on screen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips. Let us know in the comments your favorite places and destinations you would like to see in our upcoming videos. Until next time, happy travels and safe journeys.